In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to properly fit your Muse to ensure you get good contact between Muse's sensors and your skin. Extend Muse fully the first time you put it on. Then tighten both sides simultaneously and evenly using both hands. Ensure Muse rests roughly in the middle of your forehead, not too close to your hairline or your eyebrow line. When fitting Muse against your forehead, you're looking to avoid any gaps between the sensor surface and your skin, allowing Muse to lie flat against your skin and to pick up your brain signals. If you can see the red of the heart sensor, Muse is not tight enough. The tighter you make the band, the more positive the connection between Muse's sensors and the skin on your forehead. Make sure the Muse ear sensors hug the back of your ear like glasses would, resting on top of them with no hair in the way of the sensors. But don't tighten the Muse too much that it pushes the ears forward. For achieving good skin contact with Muse's rubber sensors, the challenge is to hold the hair back while you're putting Muse on. It's pretty straightforward if your hair is long enough for a ponytail. Just make sure to gather up all the small hairs around the ears and you'll get Muse working much easier. With medium-length hair, when putting on Muse, use one hand to put Muse over your ear and then the other to smooth your hair back, removing hair from the back of your ear. Ensure there is no hair between the Muse sensor and your skin. Hair between the sensors and the skin can keep you from getting a good signal. If you're having trouble fitting Muse, try looking into a mirror while you adjust it to see if it is sitting properly on your ears. If you're not getting a good signal, readjust your headband. Then, take a deep breath, relax your jaw, and wait up to 30 seconds before making any further adjustments. If you're finding it takes longer than normal to get good signal quality, which is possible during the winter when it's dry, there are a couple of different ways to remedy this. The first step is applying moisture to the Muse. You can take a tissue or your finger, dip it in water, and squeeze out the excess. Then apply the water to Muse's sensors by giving them a gentle wipe. The moisture left on the sensors serves to rehydrate your skin when you put it on. If you find that the forehead sensors stabilize quickly without water, just do the ears. You can also take the damp cloth to your forehead and behind your ears to improve signal quality. If you use heavy makeup or use Muse frequently, cleaning your Muse can also help. Please visit choosemuse.com/cleaningmuse for tips on cleaning your Muse. Visit choosemuse.com/fit for more information about getting the perfect fit with Muse.